somewhere cold.
That's the go-to. Like,
Yeah.
Our neighborhood has ice skating rink in their backyard. It's cool. They have like wooden board up. And I guess they fill with water. Is that how you do it? Want to start first? Oh, there it is. Love that. Two rounds each target.
I mean, when it gets really hot, you can't touch it, but at least if it like brushes up against your leg, you're not gonna burn your cinder The breeze picked up. The breeze picked up, and the sun's. Tomorrow's supposed to be 49. Oh, Monday 63.